Hi guys, how are you? I'm Shubham and you are also watching our YouTube channel A to Z with Shubham. So specifically in that video, we will see what is the GitHub, what are the importance of GitHub, as well as what is the need of GitHub. Before the proceed, I would like to give you some information about the GitHub. So GitHub is a just not like a skill. It is a essential part of the any organization because when you are working on any project, that time you should be know about the Git. You also need of the Git during your software development project for the tracking your changes and file structure there. So you can see here, this is the basic information about the Git. Firstly, we will see here what is a Git, the simply definition of the Git. So here you can see Git is a fast, scalable, distributed version control system with an unusable rich command set that provides both high-level operations and full access to internals. This is a standard definition of the Git. In that definition, so we will see here the each and every word's meaning. So first word is version control. So specifically, version control means it records changes to a file or set of file over time, so you can recall specific version later. Then second one is distributed, which is a popular function of the Git. Unlike older system that's stored the project history in a one central place, every developer has a complete copy of that project entire history or their own hard drive. Sorry, on their own hard drive. You don't need to connect it to your server to see a history or save snapshots, which is also popular function of the Git. So Git also provides the uh, uh, feature of the offline working, offline project working. During the your project development process, you don't need to connect your server, connect your networking, sorry, internet. Then you simply work on the as a offline, and Git will also provide the feature of the working offline also. So then third one is a repository. Repository is a main concept of the GitHub. So firstly, you need to learn about the GitHub, and then and then after that you can easily understand what is the repository. So here I'll provide some basic definition. This is a folder where your project lives. Then Git watches this folder and also all it contains. Then basically it is a repository is a folder like a folder which is also used to store our project file, right? Then second is, why do we need Git, right? The problem it solves. Here I'll share one example, and then again we will learn here as an example base. Imagine you are writing a big essay or building a website without the Git. You may end up with a file named project final dot doc. Then second, project final v2 dot doc. And then third one is project final really final dot doc. Right. If you want to try a risky change, you must save a whole new copy just in case. Right. If working with others, you may email files back and forth and manually combine everyone's work. Right. And then after that, if you accidentally delete an important section, recovering it becomes difficult. Guys, you are understand here. Recovering it becomes difficult. And at that time, the Git rules will be start there. Git will solve all those problems by tracking every change automatically. This is a crucial function of the Git. And that's why we need Git, right? This is an example based scenario. After that, we will see here some importance of the Git. So complete change history. Its work also time machine. Its work as a time machine here. Then second one is a collaboration, which is a popular function of the Git. So when as per that function, the multiple users, the multiple programmers, multiple developers work combinedly only based on that collaboration feature of the Git. So Git is also provide that feature. Then third one is accountability and code ownership. Git also records who made each changes, creating a clear history and responsibility of for that code. Right. This is also tracked by the Git. Then fourth one is a backup and restore. It is also provide this feature and this importance. Then fifth one is a experimentation without the peer. Branches allow developers to test new ideas safely without affecting the main project. During the work of project, we don't directly changes in the main branch because there we have a separate branch, and in that branch we will make the change. And if this change is accurate, if this change is perfect, then after that we will we will merge it into the main directly, right? Without that we can't merge directly into the main. That's why experimentation without the PR. And then last one is faster release cycle. It's provide the feature of faster release cycle here, right? Then after that we will see here the best and essential part, which is the our Git commands. Here you can see a lot of Git command here, and which is a important. This is an important part of the Git syllabus, right? Git command. I'll also share this cheat sheet in the description box, and you can easily go on the description box, and after that you can easily download from there. Guys, in that first video only we will see the basic command, Git commands, and after that, if do you want the second video, if do you want the video on further command, that time let me know in comment box. As per your comment demand, I'll share, I'll upload second video as well. Then you can see here this is the basic command of the Git. So for that, the execution of the that Git command, you will also need one software, which is Git, and how to download it, how to install it, which is also available video on my YouTube channel. Then again, I'll share the process of that. Simply search here Git download Windows as per your operating system. Simply click on very first, and you can see here. Click here to download. You can easily download from clicking here. Already I have the Git in my system. You can see here Git. You can see here Git GUI is also there. You can simply download, and after that you need to only click on the next. After that you can easily install that, right? And also you need to one more the GitHub profile for your execution for the GitHub. And if you have the GitHub profile, for that you need to perform the some git command, and after that you will able to upload your local project in the cloud, right? So GitHub is a cloud based platform. How to how to open the GitHub profile, the video of that is also available on our YouTube channel. You can visit on our YouTube channel, and after that you can easily find the video, and you can easily create your own GitHub profile, right? So I'm back here, guys. Just a minute. I want to water. Sorry, guys. I'm back here. So I have a Git as well as GitHub profile. You can see here. So the very first command is git init. Actually, we will see here with the practical base. We also perform the practical as well as theory knowledge. The first command is git init, which is the very first command in our project. If we want the implement git in your project, that time the very first command is git init, which is also used to initialize a new git repository, right? So for I will open the one video. Sorry, I will open the one folder here, which is graphics, and also I am open with VS Code for the terminal for the Git command execution. We also need a terminal to execute this. Wait a minute, guys. Wait a minute. You can see here VS Code is open here. Yes, all perfect. And open the terminal with the pressing of Control plus backtick. You can see here. And very first command is git status for checking the status of git, and you can see here fatal, not a git repository. So this means you don't have any git implementation in that specific project. So now the, our first command is to implement the git, which is git init, right? So simply type this command and hit enter. So guys, you can see here initialize empty git repository in D and specific path here. So this is our first command execution. Then second one is, what is the second one? Git clone and repository URL. So this command is also used to, if you want to get the anything from your from others GitHub account, and that time we need to fire this command git clone and repository URL. I'll show the example, one example here. So this is my repository personally, and I want to copy this my sorry, this is a choose wrong, and some another very simple, which is my resume, right? This is my one of the repository. So after that, the selecting of that repository, simply click on that code and simply copy this https URL, right? This URL. Then again, I'll repeat back. Firstly, you can open any one repository, anyone in whole world, and you can download it in our local machine. How we can download it? Let's see. Then where is my, yes, this one. Go on, click on that specific repository. For that, you will able to see this kind of interface. After that, you need to click on that specific code button. After that, you need to select the https, and after that you need to copy this URL. After the copy this, you need to go on the terminal, specific terminal, and fire here git clone, sorry, clone, and paste it URL also, and then again hit enter. After that, you can see here cloning into my resume, and you can see here all those files which are presented in that specific cloud-based repository. You can see here this is also available inside the my local machine, right? You can also see the content of that specific repository, and you can see this content, which is must be same, right? Then our third one command is, sorry guys, where is this? I think here. Yeah, the third one is a git status, which is also fired before some time ago, right? Then again we will fire it git status and also hit enter. You can see here no committed. We don't have made any comment here. So then, and you can see here untracked means the git is not able to track this file, which is also marked with the red color, which means we don't push it on our git account, and which is also see in the later video. We will see after the second part, right? Into the second part as well. This is the git status. Then second one is git add file. If you want to add a file into the staging area, and what is the staging area, what is the how do we add to our file into the Git with the help of Git. So now we can see this. For that, we need the command of git add file. So you can see here two files are present here, git resume and new doc. So simply I'll fire here git add and file name. What is the first file name? My also resume, right? resume, and then hit enter. You can see here this is added successfully. And then second one is git add new doc, sorry, doc dot psd. Hit enter. That's it. And after that, you need to fire the git status again for the checking status. Always after the adding, this is also untracked file. And then second one is for the adding all files, which is we need to dot symbol, right? We have the two total files. We don't need to line by line, line by line again. यहाँ पे टू ही फाइल से इसलिए वो चला, लेकिन your in inside your project there will be a lot of files, right? There will be 1,000 files are there. The chances of that is also there, right? So that time you कि एक एक फाइल ऐड करना, this might be impossible, right? So as per the solution on that, here the one is command is git add dot means all file add kar, right? You added another git repository inside your current, means already we add these files, right? So you can see here a is present here, means both files are added successfully. Then again git commit -m message, which is also used to commit changes with a message, right? For the commit change, save change. For the saving the changes, we need to fire commit, git commit command. Git commit, what is the command? -m for the message and add new files. Shift and enter. Right. You can see here two files changed, one insertion, create mode, and all those information is present here. So after that, now I fire here git status command for the seeing the status of the that specific file. And you can see here nothing to commit, working tree is clean. And before the some time, there was two files are present in a red color, which is my shubham as well as new, sorry, my resume as well as new doc.psd. And after the committing, you can see here there are no file any present, right? This is a importance of the git commit command, which is also used to save the changes, right? And then third and last one of the that specific video, git log, which is also used to us to see the log of that specific commit. Yes, we can see here this is the commit ID, which is also we need to only seven character of that specific ID is important, which is also important regarding this is another concept. I'll share, I'll explain it in a next video, which is also if do you want this, and after that we will see the further command in the next video. Lot of commands are there. You can see here lot of commands. I will also share this cheat in a Git sheet, sorry, description box, and you can also go there and download it from there. And that's it, guys, from my side. Thank you. If you want the second video, please let me know in comment box. And thank you. Thank you for watching this video.